When we finally got down to something which the individual says he really wants to do, I will say to him, you do that. And forget the money. Because if you say that getting the money is the most important thing, you will spend your life completely wasting your time. You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid. Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
These are tompoezen. We like tompoezen.
Yeah.
Oscar.
Oh jongens, ik had jullie goed.
Ik hou van dit nummer.
It's so important to consider this question. What do I desire?
God damn, Jimmy. This some serious gourmet shit. Me and Vincent would have been satisfied with some freeze-dried Taster's Choice, right? And he springs this serious gourmet shit on. What flavor is this?
Nu wel. Oké, maar kan ik nu eerst? Hi.
We are
Julia's friends.
exactly.
And we love her.
Very
And
nice.
she's very cute. And she likes cats.
Yeah.
She likes us.
No.
Yeah.
Ja. Ja, je moet eigenlijk even gaan miauwen.
3, 2, 1. Miauw! Esje!